Welcome. In this video, we are discussing about layout styles in VLSI physical design. So we are discussing gate array layout style. So in gate array layout styles, it consists of a large number of transistors which are prefabricated on a wafer. So you can see these transistors NMOS and PMOS. So I have only shown here four of these types, but these are prefabricated on a wafer. These are prefabricated on a wafer in the form of a two-dimensional array. So these are prefabricated, and a single wafer can consist of many of such arrays. Okay, so the single wafer will have many such arrays, and initially the transistors in an array are not connected. So you can see initially these transistors, they are not connected in any way whatsoever. So but when we realize the circuit, the metal connections must be placed. So when we want to realize a circuit, like this is a NAND gate, so I want to realize this NAND gate using this prefabricated gate array. So when we have to realize a circuit using this prefabricated gate array, then we have to place the metal connections. So this process of adding metal wires to a gate array is called personalizing the gate array. When we add a metal wires to connect the transistors, then it is called as personalizing the gate array. So let us see an example. So as you can see, we want to design an NMOS. We want to design a NAND gate using CMOS. So let's suppose this is A, this is B. So this is a NAND gate. V out will be equal to A dot B bar. So this B is connected to ground. This B is connected to ground. Let this be B. Let this be B. Let this be A. Okay. So we have to connect B to ground. We have to connect this transistor B to ground. So what we will do is we will make the connection. So we have connected this transistor B to the ground. So you can also make the metal connections. You can also make the connections like this, or show the connections like this. So this means that B is connected to the ground. Now this PMOS B and A, they are connected to VDD. They are connected to VDD. Let this be A, let this be B. So they are connected to VDD. So I will also connect them to VDD. So this B is connected to VDD, and let us connect this A also to VDD. So these are what? These are the metal contacts. So we have connected this to VDD. Now we have to make this connection. This A is connected to this common point. Okay, the NMOS transistor A is connected to these two common points. So how can we do it? So we can connect in this way. So one metal contact is at A, and other metal contact is between the common point between these two A and B. These are the PMOS A and B. So and this is called as out. So this will also be out. So and metal contact is only at this point and this point. So ground and VDD are not connected. So this is a simple designing of a CMOS circuit using a gate array, and there are many gate arrays on a single wafer. So you can design even large circuits using this technique. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.